Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most loved houseplants, the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. But did you know these tough plants can also surprise you with flowers? Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're looking at the most beautiful flowering snake plants that can add not just greenery, but also a dash of color and fragrance to your home. First up is the Sansevieria kirkii, Star Sansevieria. This one stands out with its long dark green leaves. Flowering might be rare, but when it happens, you're in for a treat, with its large conical blooms that come in white or pale pink, carrying a refreshing scent. Next, we have the Sansevieria fischeri, a petite plant that grows about 12 to 16 inches tall. With the right conditions, it blesses summer with its white blooms, a sight for sore eyes. Moving on to the Sansevieria Parva Kenya Hyacinth, its light green narrow leaves form a beautiful rosette, bursting into pink-white flowers when happy. Don't overlook the Sansevieria islandsis, Shannon, a drought-tolerant variety with blue-green foliage. Bright light encourages it to produce spiky white flowers. For those who love unique shapes, Sansevieria cylindrica Bonsell showcases tubular gray-green spikes with pink-white flowers stealing the show. And there's the Sansevieria bacularis with its dark green leaves and soft tips. Come spring, it surprises with yellow-white flowers that can reach up to 2 to 3 feet tall. The Sansevieria trifasciata, a crowd favorite, flaunts dark green leaves and lily-like white or cream blooms. If you like shades of silver, the Sansevieria zebra Siam silver has lance-like foliage with silver gray and green stripes, complemented by tall spikes of white flowers in summer. The compact Sansevieria trifasciata Hanii offers green-white or yellow blooms with an intense fragrance, perfect for bright indirect light spots. Sansevieria cylindrica, known for its stiff green foliage, presents clusters of green-white fragrant blossoms, a simple flowering beauty. And if you're looking for something truly special, the Sansevieria moonshine showcases fragrant white flowers that are a real showstopper. For a darker tone, the Sansevieria black coral blooms with small clusters of fragrant white flowers, contrasting beauty with its dark foliage. Lastly, the Sansevieria stuckii, with its unusual long leaves, graces the night with white-pink flowers that carry an intense fragrance. And there you have it, a rundown of the most beautiful flowering snake plants that can brighten up your home. If you love discovering these gems with us, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening wonders.